Hello everyone. Welcome once again to another Power BI related tutorial on Slidescope. In this video, you are going to learn how to publish your Power BI desktop report to your Power BI service. So first thing that you have to do is you have to sign up for the Power BI service. You need a Power BI Pro or Premium per user license to create content in Power BI. So in Power BI desktop, you can keep creating these type of reports and you can keep saving these files as .pbix file, which you can share with other users also. They can open if they have the Power BI desktop installed. But Power BI service is also offering a Power BI premium per user 60-day trial. Okay. So you can simply click on it and you can complete the visit to get a free license. Okay. uh, you can license type will be trial, and I have simply created this account with my domains email, not any personal email but the business email. And here you can see we have 59 days left and this account is created. You will see some recommended apps also once you will log in here. So once you will log in to app.powerbi.com by creating your trial account, you will see some workspaces here. Okay. So you can create your new workspaces. You can create a new item here, something like dashboard, exploration, or something. So this workspace is already there for us. Okay. Now you can create some new folder also. I will create folders as visitor reports. So suppose we are doing some digital marketing analysis and we want to save all visitor related data, so we can use this folder, or you can create folders for different type of reports, different type of data. From here, your Power BI desktop, you have to click on publish, and once you will click on publish, it will ask you to enter your email and log into your account. So once you created the trial account, you will get an email and password. You have to enter them. So I will pause the video and enter those details. Here I'm not choosing any personal account. I am choosing work or school account and click continue. Now once I have entered my ID and password, it is asking Windows to remember this, but I will not remember this because I want to sign into this app only and not on this device. So I will sign in on this app only. Now it is asking for workspace. We can search something, but currently I will simply choose the default workspace and simply choose select, and it is publishing, and you can see it is published. Remember, this is not public. This is this will now be published to our Power BI online account. So here you can see that report is there. If I go to my workspace, I will see this report is created, and once I will click on it, it will show me. Obviously it is not going to show map chart because map and field map visuals are not enabled for this organization. So we have to go to tenant admin setting and enable them. But all other type of graphs like your pie chart, bar chart, those type of graphs can be easily published here. I hope you understood this. Please try this, and if you succeed, if you like this video, please subscribe to our channel and like this video. Thank you. Have a nice day.